If you want to stand out as a UGC creator and land high-paying brand deals, you need a professional UGC portfolio website. Why? Because it makes you look legit and serious about your work. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a UGC creator website step by step, even if you have zero web design experience. We'll cover the best website platforms, what pages and sections you need to include, how to showcase your portfolio professionally, and how to optimize your site to attract brand deals. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional website ready to impress brands and land UGC deals. Let's get started. Before we start building, you need to choose a website platform. The more affordable option is Hostinger. It's best if you're on a budget but still want a clean professional site. And you could use either WordPress website builder or their AI website builder. The more premium option would be Squarespace. If you want a more high-end design experience, Squarespace has a ton of beautiful templates with drag and drop options, but it's more pricey. But it tends to be on the pricier side. And then we have Canva, which is the free option. This is the one I personally use to build my UGC website, and at the end of this video, I'll walk you through what it looks like and how you can copy mine. So let's start out with Hostinger. So here I am on the website, and if you guys use the link down below, then it will take you to a page just like this. And then if you use the code MyFirstWebsite, it's going to give you a total of 90% off your web hosting. And then you're going to go to Start Now, and it'll bring you to 3 different plans. Now for most of you guys watching this, I would recommend just going with the premium web hosting option. These might change depending on when you're seeing this video, but with this plan, you guys are able to make 100 different websites. You get unlimited bandwidth, free domain name, unlimited free SSL, which is very, very important, and it allows you to install WordPress really, really easily. So I'll click on this right here, and it's going to take you to your cart, and from here, you'll be able to choose a time period for your web hosting. Now, obviously, if you guys choose the 48-month option, you'll get 2 months for free. It's only $2.49 a month, so yeah, it's the best bang for your buck if you're looking to pay the lowest amount possible each month. I would definitely not recommend going with this one. I prefer sticking with either the 12, 24, or the 48 months, with 48 months being the best bang for your buck for sure. So yeah, this plan is going to hold you accountable and make sure that you keep this website for a very long time. Next, we're going to go over here where it says have a coupon code. You're going to want to enter in My First Website to get an additional 82% off. And then you'll just click through, continue, and you'll go in and create an account. I'm not going to go through to create an account on this video, but if you want to see me go through and actually make a portfolio website, you can comment down below or check out our channel to see how to do that. Now let's head over to option number 2, Squarespace. Squarespace is a really cool one, and they have a ton of beautiful templates. So you can go into here and click on portfolio, since that's the website we'll be making. Yeah, you can just see all of these super, super nice templates. You can see the color schemes and presets here. Just really, really nice. If you want to go with the Squarespace option, you can use the code MyFirstWebsite for a bigger discount at checkout as well. And lastly, let's head over to Canva. Canva is another really great option. It's very easy to use, and they also have a lot of templates as well. So since we're going to be making a website, let's click in here. As you can see, they have so many different template options. So you can go website, portfolio, let's do that. All of these template options, you can go in through the different elements. You can add text, add your brands, upload, draw, projects, apps. It's a very good place to start if you are a beginner, considering that a lot of these templates are free. They do have a pro version, and you can try it for free for 30 days here, but if you're just getting started and you want to kind of play around with it, then I would definitely choose this route. But yeah, now that your site is set up, let's go through and design it. If you're using Hostinger, install a free or premium theme. Use the Elementor page builder to easily customize sections, and then add your branding, your logo, your colors, your fonts. And if you're using Squarespace, you can first pick a template, customize the template using the drag and drop editor, and then add your branding. Again, your logos, your fonts, and your colors. And lastly, we're going to talk about what pages you should include in your portfolio website. So now I'm going to show you my first ever UGC portfolio website. I used it using Canva. For the homepage, you're going to want a clean introduction with your name, a tagline, and how brands can reach you. For the portfolio page, you'll want to showcase about 3 to 5 of your best UGC videos. And then you'll want to organize them by category. As you can see here, we have self-care products, beauty, tech and accessories, health and wellness, jewelry and fashion, and bedroom essentials. I've added in some brands that I've worked with here, but remember, if you're just getting started out, you don't need to add this in here, and you can just go straight down to the About page and your services. So in your services and pricing, you'll list what you offer. As you can see here, I do bundle deals and monthly retainers. Now, you don't have to offer unlimited revisions. I just did this because I was just starting out and I wanted to be really flexible and work with the brands because I took their feedback as a learning moment and I could apply that in the future. But this is definitely not something that you need to include. These are just a list of some things that I do offer: UGC ads, organic videos, raw footage, concept and script, creative strategy, product photos and UGC photos, testimonial and reviews, inspiration and lifestyle vlogs, how to use tutorials, product unboxing, and showcasing. And next is the About page. This should just be a short bio explaining explaining why brands should work with you, you should try to keep this section short and sweet, but give them a good idea of who you are and who they are agreeing to work with. And lastly, the contact page. Just have it be a simple form or email where brands can reach out to work with you. Personally, I have this linked to my work email. Now that your site is built, let's make sure brands actually find it. Let's go through the SEO basics. Use keywords like UGC creator for beauty brands or freelance UGC creator in your page titles and descriptions. You should link your website everywhere. Add it to your Instagram and TikTok bio, include it in your Twitter and your LinkedIn profiles, and you can even put it in your email signature when you're reaching out to brands. Make sure your videos are high quality, 15 to 30 seconds long for short form UGC content, and engaging so brands can immediately see your value. And that's it. Now you have a professional UGC portfolio website that'll help you land brand deals faster. Starting out, personally, I used Canva to create my UGC website because the platform was simple and it had a lot of templates to choose from. However, using a platform like Hostinger or Squarespace definitely looks more professional when you're sending your portfolio to bigger brands. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more UGC tips. And comment your website link once it's live. I'd love to take a look. Now go build your website and start getting paid for your content.